how's it going? So today I've partnered with BB&B who made these super cute kawaii donut headbands, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to recreate an edible version of these, not just to wear but to eat. And if you want your own little donut, cute little donut headband, I'm going to leave a link with a code below for you guys to use, which is a discount code. So let's get started. All right, guys, so some of the things that you're going to need to recreate these cute little donuts are the following ingredients. So you're going to need a box of strawberry cake mix, some white pearl sprinkles, I have the Wilton sprinkles, a squeeze bottle for the chocolate ganache that we're going to create, some pink oil food coloring, my bottle's messy, sorry about that, white candy melt, off-white candy melts, semi-sweet chocolate chips, heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, and some Ready Whip aerosol whipped cream. If you guys want to make smaller little indents for the whipped cream, like so on the donuts, I have a 16 number Wilton tip here that you can use as well, a whisk, and the KitchenAid, my beautiful KitchenAid. Oh, obviously, how could I forget this, you guys? You need a donut pan. Hello, Savannah. Yeah, so you're gonna absolutely need a donut pan. I have a Wilton donut pan. It makes 6 donuts. However, if you wanna go ahead and fry it, I'm trying to kind of choose a healthier route, so I'm just gonna bake them. So, without further ado, let's get into this. So I am using strawberry Betty Crocker cake mix. However, if you have your own homemade recipe, you can use that as well. But kind of just like to save some time, we're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions on this box. Alright guys, so after you're done making the strawberry cake mix, you're going to put it into a piping bag, or my favorite pastry batter dispenser. You could actually get this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. It's amazing and it is super easy to use and mess-free. Also, I'll be sure to put a link down below with all the baking items I'm using that can also be found on Amazon. So after you're done piping in your donut batter, you're going to tap down and get all the air bubbles out and pop it into the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Then for the chocolate ganache, you're going to pour your heavy cream and a 1/4 stick of butter into a little pan, and you're going to heat that over medium heat until it boils, and you're going to simmer it and then pour it over milk semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then you're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Then once your 5 minutes is up, you're going to whisk it all together until it becomes a creamy chocolate ganache. Then you're going to take your cooled off strawberry donuts and dip them into the chocolate cooled ganache. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, this took a couple tries and I did have to go back to dip them a second time after they dried the first time, just so that there was an even coating of chocolatey texture all over them. Also, just another quick tip, if your donuts happen to be a little flimsy, you can choose to bake them longer, but they potentially might diminish the pink strawberry coloring. So next you're going to take your off-white candy melts and you're going to melt them in the microwave for about 30 seconds on half power and stir accordingly. And then you're going to add a couple drops of the oil pink food coloring. Then you're going to take the pink candy melt and put it into the squeeze bottle and slowly go back and forth over the dried chocolate strawberry donuts to make a zigzag line. So then next you're going to take my homemade buttercream and you're going to put it into a piping bag. I quickly realized that the Ready Whip was not ideal for this. And then you're going to pipe it on with that 16-inch Wilton piping tip slowly onto the donuts into a shell-like pattern. Then you're going to line the donut around the rim after piping on the buttercream in between each shell with the pearl sprinkles. I also used a light pink to give it some variety as well. So then next I'm going to take these little baby organic strawberries that I got from Sprouts, and I'm just going to slice them in half to match the strawberries on the donut headband. Then I'm going to take those sliced strawberries and put them on top of the donuts into a V-shaped pattern as if they were sitting on top of each other, and take about 3 of the small leaves and put them on either side of the strawberries. And then you are finished with your cute kawaii strawberry chocolate donuts. Alright guys, so that was the tutorial on how to make these super cute pink donuts for yourself. If you want to get a pair of these really cute pink donut headbands as well, I will leave a link down below as well as a special discount code for you guys to use to get these from BB&B. And if you guys have any suggestions, recommendations on anything you guys want me to recreate, even like any objects or any ideas you have, please don't hesitate to comment below or DM me, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you guys still tweet. I don't go on Twitter as much anymore, but feel free to follow me. I'm active on Instagram. So love doing these for you guys. And remember guys, keep it savvy. All right, bye.
Future candy.